bring you in today into a accent wall that's functional for a coffee space, for kids, and just a few things we put into this project that's going to be useful and actually functional for our client. So, bring you in here, you're going to notice the first thing is going to be that beautiful brick herringbone layout backsplash. We went all the way up, we went between our shelvings. We decided to collect floating shelves. They're folded mitered boxes. Beautiful, blends in with the white cabinetry and the backsplash brick. We've gone with some sconce lighting, so it can give some more backdrop lighting at night. If you turn these things down, you'll be able to have that to give you a little accent. Some decor in there, coffee area. Client can come in the morning, be able to use their coffee area. If they need baked goods, do some baked good prep work in here. You have the durability of quartz, and you have a nice rustic backsplash with the brick that ties everything in, giving you more of that rustic feel. Some glass doors so you can showcase some of your glassware you have, maybe other designs you have, or other little decor you want to put in there. But in this case, we've elected to use some of their own glassware. Coming down here, these are solid doors. They're counter-mounted, which means you have access and you don't waste this space like a standard backsplash over here. Over here, if you lift, we have our Blum Aventos lift mechanisms. So you're able to lift this here, access anything. If you have the kiddos, they want to come in, grab some cereal, they able to come in, grab their bowls, put it down, and then you just close it. It's soft closing, so you don't get slammed in the morning, especially when the kids are getting ready for school. Coming into this part of the kitchen as well, you're going to have some lower cabinetry for more storage. You'll have the drawers. They're all soft close, adjustable. You have your mini fridge. You come down here, they open up. You get some lighting inside for any cold beverages, or you want some wine at a certain temperature. It's dual control. You also have a trash can over here. It's dual, soft close. You don't want door slamming, kids coming around. It's your daily routine. You're able to use this area every single day. All right, guys, coming over to the stove side, bring you in. I always get questions asked as far as what's a pot filler? Why do we need a pot filler? Where would you put a pot filler? I'm here to answer those today. Here, this is a pot filler. Exactly what it sounds like, it's what it does. It fills your pots, can fill your tea. It's just a water supply faucet attached to your wall of your stove. So you're gonna be able to easily fill your pots and pans while you're cooking. You don't have to go back and forth between the sink and your stovetop. It's more of a convenience. So while you're over here cooking, you'll be able to simply reach over to your faucet, you turn your valve on, and you start filling. When you're done, place it back out of the way. That's simple. They're meant to be put over stoves, sometimes in coffee areas, really anywhere you like or anywhere you would need some water supply. Now be mindful that there is no drain. This is not a sink. It's just simply to fill your pot for pure convenience. When you're cooking, sometimes you have dirty fingers, you have either some meat or you have some just grime from prepping food and cooking. Simply come over here, you'd wave your hand over, and your exhaust turns on. Once it's running, you want to turn it off, simply give it a wave, turns right back off. Pure convenience. Little details like this make kitchens more functional, more usable. So not only do you have a pot filler, an exhaust that's touchless, but you also have a backsplash that's going to be durable and antimicrobial. You'll be able to sit here, you get splashed spaghetti, some of those pesky stains, wipe it right off. No problem. You got the quartz countertop that complements that, so you're able to come over here in this kitchen, prep, cook, and serve on your island. Things to consider when you're doing a kitchen remodel. It's not just make it beautiful, because everything can look good, but is it functional? Do you have kids? How often do you cook? Do you entertain a lot? So a few things I want to cover today with you guys. Starting off over here at the stove side. For starters, we gave them a drawer and a door, so you're able to put your pans, baking sheets, and whatnots in here, along with some utensils. At the top, you can place some utensils in here. They elected to use a different one. Seeing how you're over here going to be cooking, you have your beautiful pot filler. Help you fill the pots. Where do you put the pots at? Come down here. We have a dual drawer lower base cabinet, which yes, it is soft close as well. You're able to put your big pots and pans in here. When you need, pull them out, and you're in your cooking area, ready to go. It's more of a day-to-day convenience. Coming down to this side, you'll see that we have a pull-out spice drawer. You need the spice drawer if you're cooking. Just like you, I like seasoning in my food. Coming over here, you're going to be looking for some of your plates, some of your silverware. You're able to come in here, get those utensils you need. and it's soft close. Be able to pull these out. They're not as deep. These are more for your sheets, your trays, anything like that as well. Let's talk about the sink side. So in this area, we went with a LK 36-inch farm sink. You have your apron in the front, nice single deep basin, so you're able to put some dishes in here without worrying about some space while you're prepping them to either hand wash or put inside of your dishwasher. We have a beautiful Moen faucet. It is a single stand. It's not a triple set. You have your on-off, hot and cold. No longer will you have to reach over and hit this light switch while you're washing dishes and mess with electrical. Today we have a Moen air switch for your disposal. So while you're in your sink, you want to drain it, open up your drain, simply hit your air switch. Nice, smooth, and quiet disposal. This LK sink also has a workstation, so it's interchangeable. You can have a drying rack, or you can use cutting board to prep your fruits, even some meats, and you have the simplicity of being able to turn your faucet on, washing your hands, and using your garbage disposal as intended. Seeing how this is your wash station, you also have a large amount of prep area. So if you want to prep in here versus the island, because you want some of the water in the drain system, you have that option. To back that up, you still have a nice durable quartz, and you have a nice solid backsplash. So if you get anything splashed up on the walls, anything you want to do to clean, you're going to be able to do that here with these functional features on here. We need some more space, right? How do we incorporate a large countertop without having a dining room table inside your kitchen? Not a formal, but a functional, actual usable. We love large islands. Got a nice large quartz countertop area. You have entertainment here, areas where you can sit down and enjoy some of your breakfast. You have 3 chairs here that tuck in under this 12-inch overhang. So when you sit down, you can still enjoy using the countertop as a table to eat breakfast, just your day-to-day things when the kids are coming in and out, or you're home, you're tired, you want a quick meal. Coming below the overhang here on the island, you have more storage space. We always try to maximize all of your space. We don't want to waste any type of space. All right, guys, so you've seen the project's been completed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow us in our journey on how we're going to grow as a team.